In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weekly profiles in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market will work, so just pick the symbol you want to analyze and get it up on your screen. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see your candles, we're ready to start adding the weekly profile indicator. At the top of the chart, look for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This is where you're going to type the name of the indicator you want to use. In this case, you're looking for weekly profiles, which is a type of volume profile that aggregates data by week, giving you a much clearer view of where trading activity is concentrated over each weekly period. Now, type weekly profiles into the search box. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You'll see a list of indicators that match your search. Look carefully through the results for the weekly profiles indicator you want to use. Once you spot it, move your mouse over it and click once. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart. You should now see the weekly profile displayed on your chart, typically as horizontal histograms or value areas aligned with each week. Take a moment to zoom in and out and scroll through the chart so you can see how each weekly profile is plotted. This helps you understand where the high volume nodes and key price levels are for every week. If you want to fine-tune how the weekly profiles look or behave, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top of the chart and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust visual settings like colors and styles, as well as any inputs that control how the profiles are calculated. And if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you'd like to follow along with all the same features, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. That way, you can unlock the full power of weekly profiles and support the channel at the same time.